Welcome back, guys. In our previous video, we saw 3 different ways to install your WordPress theme. Now in this session, we'll see how you can install and activate your WordPress plugin. So 3 different ways of installing a WordPress plugin. Number 1 is you can go ahead and click on Appearance and click on Plugins, or rather simply go ahead and click on Plugins and you will have to click on Add New. And you can search for any particular plugin over here. If you want a Facebook like button in the sidebar, so you can just search for Facebook like and it will give us various different options. So you can install any one of them based on the number of reviews, active installations, last update when it was, and is it compatible with your version of WordPress or not. So you can click on Install Now and click on Activate. And that's how you install a plugin. The first way of installing a plugin is this one, by clicking on Add New, Install and Activate. Second way is you can simply go and Google, let's say you want something for Twitter box. So you can say Twitter WordPress sidebar plugin. Right? You can just search for something which is in your head and it will give you plenty of different options. So once you click on this, you can click on download and it will give you the zip file. And once again, as you did for the theme, you go ahead and go inside your WordPress dashboard. You click on Add New for the plugins and you click on Upload and you upload the zip file. Click on Install Now and click on Activate. And that's the second way of installing and activating your plugin. And the third way is you can go ahead and upload the zip file in your cPanel directly, which is what most of the times the developers use if they are coding a bunch of things inside their WordPress.